What's up, guys? Travis at D&A Restorations here. I haven't done a video on one of these, so I figured I would catch it. We do so many repetitive YouTube videos. I don't like to do every 250R and every 350X and all that stuff, but we do a lot of those 250Rs, 350Xs, Tacatis. So this one's a little bit different. This is a little out of our ordinary. We've done some before, but this is before my YouTube era. So this is a 1983 Honda ATC200x. This is for a good customer of mine out in Alabama. And we are at the assembly stage of it. We just got everything, all the fresh zinc back, and we're just starting to do some assembly. All the pieces are painted, tank's done, frame's done. I mean, as you can see, every single piece of this machine is just about ready. The only things we don't have is the fenders polished and a couple nuts and bolts that I ran into. I got the engine disassembled, and that one is getting done soon. So I just figured I would touch base on this one and let everybody see what a 1983 ATC200X looks like in full disassembly mode. So enjoy. I'll do a part one, part two kind of deal. And you can see the exhaust here. This is some of the rubber pieces we still got to go through and polish the plastics and whatnot. So, all right, guys, appreciate y'all for following. Excuse the mess on this table. This is my table. This is not. So, anyways, enjoy.